This is lesson 66, similar and congruent figures for Saxon 4. So the main thing of this is knowing what similar and congruent means. Similar means they are similar, but not the same. Congruent means same, exact same. They might be in a different position, but it is the exact same thing. For example, if I have a square, okay, this square is the same as this square. That means they are congruent. They're not beside each other, they're in different spaces, but it's still the same square. That means it is congruent. If I had these squares and this square, these squares are similar because it's the same square that's been enlarged, or in the case of this one, made smaller. So that makes them similar because they look about the same. They're both squares, but they are not congruent because they are not the exact same like these two. Let's look at some more shapes. So this triangle, okay, is congruent with this triangle. They're the same triangle. They are congruent. It's just this one's been laid down on its side and this one has not. Okay, but otherwise they are the same triangle. That means they are congruent. This triangle is an enlarged version of these triangles. So it is similar to these triangles. These ones are congruent. This one is similar. Same thing as if I did this. This triangle is similar to this triangle because it is just a smaller version of this triangle. But it is not congruent because it is not the exact same triangle. We'll do one more shape together. This rectangle, let me do that with straight lines. This rectangle and this rectangle, are they congruent or similar? They are similar because this is an enlarged version of this rectangle. So they are similar because they are different sizes of the same rectangle. What if I change this rectangle to this? Are they congruent or similar? You might argue similar, but I was going for the exact same rectangle, so I'm going to say congruent because I want them to be at least the exact same rectangle, okay? If they are congruent, they are the same. It doesn't matter if they're like that or they're like this, okay? Those are all congruent. They are all the exact same rectangle. They're just in different places. This is similar because it is a different size, but still a rectangle. This is similar because it is a different size, but still a rectangle. Again, congruent is the same, the exact same. It might be in a different spot on the page. It might have been flipped, but it is still the same shape. Similar means it is smaller or larger than the original shape, but it is still that shape, just a smaller or larger version of it. That is similar. That is lesson 66 for Saxon 4.